I wonder if I can hear myself. I'm gonna find that out too. Ooh, that's a little loud. I need 3, 4 to do this, so I can make a chest, crafting table, and have 2 planks of wood. I'm just gonna do 2 of these. Yeah, I have enough. I don't know why I did that. Who cares? So take 8. Yeah, it takes 8. Okay, this is duplication glitch. Empty out your whole entire inventory. Take 2. Oh, that happens a lot. If it gets jammed, go the first one. You just hold it. But if it spaces out, like it doesn't work, like repeatedly, just pick up your thumb. There you go. Okay, now let's try it with some else in my inventory. I've tried this before, it does work. Oopsie, look. It might work. Don't you hear it? But nothing's coming out. See, nothing at all. So I'll go on. Oh, tree. Sweet. That's it. It only does burn up things if you do that. My friend taught me this, so I'm gonna give credit to Tristan. If you want more, just like, subscribe, whatever. I'll find more things. I'll also teach you a teleportation glitch. Actually, I might do it in creative too. That's all for today, folks. Bye.